We just hit another storm and it's still snowing outside a little bit. So you can see the ground is fully snowed on, and I found a huge icicle. This is it compared to my hand. It is actually massive, so let's get it. Oh my gosh, I just pulled all of it out. No way. Let's hopefully try not to break it. Let's get the others off. Whew. Oh, still saved it. No! It's right here. Look at this icicle. Draw on the wall. Just throw it down there. We got some more icicles. Let's go down the stairs. Whoa, whoa! Oh, alright. Let's have a look. Look at this. We got another massive icicle. Whoa. This looks like a knife. I'm not gonna do anything. Look at how it snaps. And it's broken. See if we have another one. Oh, look at it right here. If you didn't believe me, it was snowing. It's still snowing outside. There's snow on the ground too. But we got another icicle. Snap it. Yeah. Alright. Oh, we got a tiny one right here. Let's just throw this against the wall. Goodbye. Alright, now head outside where we might find some more icicles. Look at these. Some lonely ones right here. Oh, it came as a bundle. Well, that was gone. Look at this. This is ice. Look at this. On the walls too. Ice. From these icicles. They're dripping down. Oh. Look at this. Oh. Got a little bit more icicles. Oh, they're gone. Well, let's all look back here. Well, it is fully snowing. As you can see. Whew, whew. Don't think there's much else. But yeah, later guys.